Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today I have a tool that I am super excited to talk to you guys about. This is a tool you guys are going to want to pick up. Jumping right into it, it's the V Drill Guide by Gator Tools. Let me get the camera switched around and I will show you guys why you're going to want this tool, how it works, and all the details. Okay guys, we got a close-up view right here. Obviously you can see we have two different sizes. The larger one is 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch drill sizes, and the smaller one is 1/8 inch to 3/8 inch drill sizes. Basically, what these do is they turn your drill into a drill press. This will allow you to, if you don't have a drill press, to drill nice straight vertical holes. Also, if you do have a drill press, there's going to be objects that are too big or awkward to get on your drill press. Or if you're going somewhere mobile, you could easily grab these and take these with you if you need to drill a nice vertical 90-degree hole somewhere. Opening them up, you guys can get a better view here. They're made out of nice heavy-duty steel. They got some, they're pretty heavy. They got some nice bulk to them. Big Gator did a really nice job at printing in the numbering on here. It's not just printed on, I guess, it's actually stamped in, so it's not going to wear off over time. That's really nice. Also on the sides of them, they have these lines. These are also stamped in, they're not just printed on. So the reason why they call this the V Drill Guide is because it allows you to, if you have something round, like a round piece of PVC or wooden rod, you can use this and it will lay right center on that piece of round stock that you have, which is awesome. That's going to allow you to cut a nice vertical hole into something round. You can see here, your bit has like zero wobble in there. That's going to be a game changer. There's a lot of time I've been wanting to drill into something round and my cut comes out all messed up. I'm going to be able to clamp this on here using an F-style clamp or something and get a nice straight vertical hole right through something round. Also a nice feature, like I talked about a little bit ago, is the lines on the side. What these lines are for is you can draw a nice straight line somewhere. Say I wanted to on this one, say I wanted to drill a 7/16 hole. I can find the line that lines up with the 7/16 hole and line it up on both sides. Now when I go to use my drill and drill right through, I know that it's going to be perfectly centered. So that's a really nice feature. I have some of these that are by a different brand and they're a lot cheaper, and they don't have that, and it's kind of a pain to try and line them up to get a nice centered hole. That's gonna make it way easier. You guys can get this as a set right now on Amazon for $63. It comes with both of these. Also, be sure you guys check out Big Gator Tools. I'll link their website and their Instagram down below. Okay guys, as always, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. Also, follow our Instagram. I post a lot of pictures and stuff on there. And I'll see you again soon for another video. Later.